Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MBRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out with levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one before, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from. But another nice move today, although late day there was a bit of a pullback, but still within the grand scheme of things, the bulls keep on chugging along. And assuming you care about the big picture, that's what you want to see. So first thing I'm going to do is actually get rid of these lines down here. Sure, they pertain to the chart, but they're not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion with a bunch of clutter because there's 8 million lines all over the place. So just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first area of support, and what I would call the ideal level going forward, is right here at the $2.15 mark. So why is $2.15 ideal? Well, this was essentially the previous breakout point, which you can see back here. And a foundational rule in charting states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And to give credit where credit's due, so far so good. You can see the bears try to press the price down below there, and then during the final 30 minutes try it again. But so far so good. The price is holding strong above $2.15. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, certainly ideally speaking, if the price can stay up above that green line at $2.15, that would be best case scenario going forward. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's really two ways you can look at it. You can use the purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average to gauge the overall health of the move. Or if you want to just throw an overall trend line into place. Whoops, let's try that again. All right, let's give this another go here. Or you can just use something like this where it's an overall trend line. And actually, as it stands right now, there's not much difference between, the two choices. Or, you can use both if you really want to. Purple line's valued right there. That blue overall trend line's valued right there. But the case in point here, and I'll just use the overall trend line, that as long as the price stays above that blue line going forward, which as you can see just continues to increase over time, that implies that the price is also increasing. And as long as the price is increasing over time, that by definition is a bullish move. And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence. So moral of the story here, stay above that blue line. As long as that is the case, the bulls are in full control of the chart. And that's why I'm not even going to talk about levels of resistance, because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a huge priority. Top priority is stay above that blue line. And as long as that remains the case, the chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.